Hi everybody and welcome to Module 5 for Psychology in the Legal System. You guys did a great job on the questions last week. I was reading them over last night and today, and you guys made some great points and you were really thorough. I decided for this week I'm going to do my responses in written form rather than in the video, just because I feel like it'll be easier for you to read that way, and it can be a little bit more thorough, and also because there were more questions than there are for most weeks, which you may have been wondering about why there were more questions for this week than in some of the other weeks. And that's because I think this material for you guys, especially given the interest that you've expressed, are going to be an especially important group of materials in case law for you to know. Uh, um, I also, as I've mentioned, moved some of the material from this week, Module 5, into the weekend so that you guys can have a little bit more time to catch up. I know that some of you have been saying that you're concerned that you're feeling behind, so I thought that taking some of the material out would let you spread it over the next couple weeks rather than having to do it all at once, especially when you guys have papers due and all of that. So this week's materials talk about the juvenile courts and the civil courts. And as you'll read in the material, the juvenile courts are actually considered part of the civil courts. But for the reasons that you'll read, they're actually really more akin to the adult criminal courts. And so even though the fact that we may technically put them within the civil system, in a lot of ways, they're really much more like the adult criminal system than they were originally intended to be. And so this week's materials will also cover the inception of the juvenile courts, relevant case law. It'll also talk about different trends that we've seen in juvenile law over the years, and also talk a bit about the types of evaluations you might do if you are involved with juveniles and also in other parts of the civil system. So I hope you guys enjoy the material for this week, and I look forward to talking to you again next week. Thanks.